If your study sessions look like a snooze fest, you're doing it wrong. Let's flip the script. First up, take breaks. Your brain needs to chill just like you do. Try the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focus, 5 minutes of fun. Next, mix it up. Don't stick to just one subject. Switch gears every hour to keep things fresh. Third, find your golden hours. Are you a night owl or an early bird? Study. Reward yourself. Finish a chapter. Treat yourself to something sweet. And finally, stay hydrated. Your brain loves water, so there you have it. Study smarter, not harder, and watch those grades soar.